Attention teachers, do your students have the following difficulties when writing? Staying on topic, translating a verbal story into a written story, getting started when writing, generating ideas, putting thoughts into words, and linking multiple ideas together in a paragraph. Do the students in your classroom look like this? Or like this? Never fear, as you can solve this problem by teaching the four-square writing method. The four-square writing method was first developed in 1999 by Judith and Evan Gould. Four-square writing is a method of teaching students a basic writing strategy that they can use across grade levels and curriculum areas. The four-square method provides students with a visual framework that supports students in generating ideas, providing details, enhancing word choice, and organizing ideas before writing a paragraph. The four-square method is a simplified graphic organizer that can be used in narrative, descriptive, expository, and persuasive forms of writing. Now teachers, you might ask, why use Foursquare? Well, the answer is simple. It's a writing method that allows students to communicate their ideas effectively by putting similar ideas together to create a paragraph or an essay. The answer to who would benefit is quite simple. All learning profiles and all students would benefit from organizing their ideas before writing. However, for those students who are visual learners, the four-square strategy would be extremely effective, as it allows visual thinkers to express and arrange their visual ideas before writing. Another benefit to using the four-square method is it can be used individually by students or in a large group where students support each other's ideas. As students progress through the grades, how the four-square method is used tends to change. So first we'll begin with the primary grades. The four-square method can be used by following these steps. First, you begin with a topic sentence in the middle. Next, students write a word, phrase, or example that supports the topic in the first three boxes. In the fourth box, students will write a feeling. Next, students will draw in each box a picture to describe their word. Finally, students will use their four-square organizer when writing a paragraph. The following example demonstrates how a primary student would use the four-square method to transition into writing a paragraph. As teachers, it's important that we remember that we must model the process of moving the information from the four-square model into a paragraph. Now, as students' writing skills advance in the junior grades, we can use the four-square method to elaborate on ideas. First, in the topic box, the students will change from writing a word phrase to using a complete sentence. Now, boxes 1, 2, and 3 will contain complete sentences that support the topic sentence. Finally, box 4 will become a concluding statement that sums up all the ideas on the topic. Each step must be practiced until students can confidently complete the four-square independently before progressing further. Once students master the 3 to 4 sentence model, we can progress to creating paragraphs that are 7 to 8 sentences by adding one more detail to box 1, 2, and 3. As students develop their thoughts into 3 reasons, we need to now teach students how to use connecting words to smoothly transition between thoughts, as connecting words act as the puzzle pieces of writing. The most effective way to teach connecting words is through modeling, as well as providing a wall poster that is visible to students while they are writing. The following example is effective as it is color-coded to show which words go where. The first box, which is green, means go. The next 2 yellow boxes mean to think cautiously, and the last red box means prepare to stop, as in think of a conclusion sentence. The color coding helps students choose words that are the most effective in each section. Lastly, we transition the information from the four-square model to a paragraph. Research has found that the four-square strategy is an effective method of teaching writing, as the process activates students' prior knowledge and schema as they brainstorm, as well as it is shown to be a very effective comprehension tool for all students, as it creates comprehension before, during, and after writing. Research from Tompkins 2006 found that since students were able to use the Foursquare strategy to clearly communicate their ideas, that they were able to make more meaningful connections to other texts, themselves, and the world. The Foursquare strategy is also effective as it is able to incorporate multiple literacy skills such as phonics, practice with penmanship, spelling strategies, and vocabulary building into a short 15-minute mini lesson in comparison to 85 minutes that teachers were spending working on these skills independently.